Hey guys, this is Oliver and welcome to a quick tip tutorial in Pattoon, and we talk about texture swapping on your artwork. So we will achieve this randomly applying textures to any artwork, and how easy this is to achieve with Pattoon. Let's go and jump in. So first of all, we make a new composition. You make it HD or whatever comp size you like. Hit OK. We bring in our Illustrator graphic, could be any artwork of your choice. I will scale that down as on the keyboard, scale that down, and I will apply from the effects and presets Pattoon. And it immediately starts texturizing this with a checker pattern. And if you click on this checker pattern icon, it opens up your library and you can 100% customize this. So you can import folders, you can import textures, you can import network connections, whatever. So you can build up your own texture library inside After Effects, and you can use that anytime you like. So you never have to browse your operating system or your Finder for new graphics. You can import them and store your favorites here. And for example, let's go to the halftones pattern and click on that, and you will see it immediately texturizes your artwork with this texture. Okay. By the way, you can import also Photoshop patterns, which is unique. So you can use Photoshop patterns in After Effects. In this case, we had these line styles. Let me see, patterns, grungy stripe, I think it was. Yeah, that's it. And I click on that, and then I have applied this texture to my artwork. Of course, you can manipulate this texture by using the transform settings, scale that, rotate that, set an offset point, move it around. So it's up to you. You got a bunch of more effects like glitch, like displace, but we covered that in other tutorials, and you find that, if you like to, on our channel, which is Illumi channel on YouTube. You got a tons of tutorials what to do with Pattoon, how to figure out what this plugin can do, and yeah, don't forget to visit the eascripts.com on Black Friday, because we have a special discount. So we got 60 bucks and you get another 25% down. So it's about 45 bucks, I think, and you have this very helpful and useful tool in your system. So what about swapping that? So we got a texture swap section here, and you simply click it active and it will start swapping or changing the textures according to the frequency speed. Means you increase that speed, you got a faster switch of all these, and you got, of course, some randomization things here. Pull it up and you get a random length of the switch. Okay, and of course you can sort texture according to your folder. That means let's go to the halftone patterns. Let me show the folder in the US. Say yes here. So here is where you store all your patterns or your maps or your artwork, and you can simply drag and drop another folder, and after refreshing your palette in After Effects, you will have access to all of the JPEGs and PNGs inside. Okay? So, for example, if you don't like to have it with grungy stripes, to give you an idea what's possible, let's go to the, let's say, line styles, or we choose this. Let me go up here a bit. Let's go to blocks, for example. So this is what we have, blocks. If I check that, you will see a little bit of a grungy thing going on here. So let's play with the offset point, bring this to here, over there, so you can see this is what's going on, and it will swaps around. So you got here, you see that swapping, and it means it swaps all of the textures here inside. And if you like to sort them, right now in general it's random. And if you go to your folder in the US, you see you have block F, G, H, I, G, J, K, L. And of course you can sort them. So we go, for example, to frame 1, which is this one, and let me sort that to ascending. And now it follows with this, by this, by this, by this, okay? And if you go to descending, it starts here and goes all the way back, okay? So you can sort them according to the artwork name inside that folder. And that's how easy you can achieve this texture swap effect. That's it for now. It was a quick tip. Make sure to check out our channel to see what Pattoon can do, and make sure to make the Black Friday deal on eascripts.com. See you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.